Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Oil prices eased slightly in choppy trade, with Brent still below $70 under pressure from trade tariffs between the US, Canada, Mexico and China, and OPEC Plus plans to raise output. Those factors and a larger than expected build in US crude inventories had sent Brent to its weakest since December 2021 this week. Wall Street's main indexes traded off session lows after a cabinet official hinted that the US could take a softer stance on tariffs, while chip stocks declined as investors were disappointed by Marvel's forecast. The Texas Senate passed the Bitcoin Strategic Reserve Bill SB2 after deliberating the merits of the legislation on the Senate floor. Texas State Senator Charles Schwertner argued for the bill, saying that it would help the US state shore up its balance sheet with a valuable, scarce asset.
The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The RSI is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The Williams indicator is in overbought territory. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
As we look at the economic calendar for the days ahead, investors should be aware of several key data releases that could shape market sentiment. High-impact events are on the horizon, and understanding their potential influence will be crucial for positioning in global markets. As we monitor these key releases, traders should prepare for potential market volatility. Keeping an eye on these data points will help stay ahead of any significant moves in the days ahead.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.